Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So now since Christmas is around the corner, I thought of sharing with you all something very interesting. I'm going to be sharing with you all 3 different type of variations of melt and pour soaps on the theme of Christmas, which if you all are making hampers, you all are selling your products, you all can definitely go ahead and give these a try. You'll love them. So here I have taken my soap base, I have taken my glycerin soap base, and we are going to use 2 colors for this, that is green and red, and we are going to make swirls and color our soap with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and heat both this and melt the base. Okay, so I've gone ahead and melted down the soap base, and now in one I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of green color, and in the other one I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of red color. And now to this I will also go ahead and add a little bit of shimmer just to enhance the look of the product. Shimmer mica is what I'm adding here. And here I will go ahead and add the pink shimmer mica. This is optional. If you don't want to add it, you can skip this. And to this I will go ahead and just add 2 drops of vanilla fragrance. Whatever fragrance you like, you can choose, you can select and use that, and we'll go ahead and give both these bases a nice mix. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and mixed both the bases, and you all can see how beautiful the shimmer is. It has a very nice shimmery appearance. And now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll quickly pour this into the mold before it thickens. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that you're pouring both together at the same time for you to get that very nice color scheme of both the colors. Make sure your timing of pour is exactly the same. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done the pouring here, and it's a beautiful red and green combination. And now just for the air bubbles to go off, I'll spray my 99% rubbing alcohol to this so that there are no air bubbles. And now we'll just leave this to set. Okay, so now we've finished with the first variation. The next variation to make here in this mold, I have used this mold where I have all my Christmas, it's a Christmas mold basically, where you have your Santa, reindeer. So here I have made a few cutouts already and kept. I have a Christmas tree, I have a Santa face, I have a reindeer, the candy. So I'm just going to use one of this mold to make the next soap. So for this I have my base here. I'm only going to be using the glycerin base to make this. So we'll go ahead and melt this. Okay, so I have gone ahead and melted this here, but I will transfer it into this pouring jar so that it's easier to pour. We'll just add 2 drops of any fragrance, whichever fragrance you like, you can add, mix it, and we are going to go ahead and pour this, and not full way through, we are just going to pour it halfway through and leave it to set. Because what we are going to do is now the cutouts that I have done, these molds that I have made, the candy and this the Santa face, this is what I'm going to be using in this base. Now we'll just spray the 99% rubbing alcohol to remove all the bubbles. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my these products what are made. I'm going to go ahead and place them here. Now you need to do this only once the lower layer is completely set. Go ahead and put the Christmas flower instead. So I will go ahead and place that. And then I'll go ahead and pour the remaining of the mixture on top of this. I'm just going ahead and spraying the 99% rubbing alcohol, and we'll leave this to sit. Okay, so now the same containers what we had taken for the red and the green, I'm going to be doing layers now. That's the last variation in this. So I have taken some more of my glycerin soap base, and we'll go ahead and melt this. Okay, so I've gone ahead and melted the bases here, and now the first one what I'm going to pour is the green color. Now we have to wait for this to cool down so that we can pour the next color. Okay, so now the first layer looks that it's set. So now we'll slowly go ahead and start pouring the next layer on this. I have gone ahead and added some shimmer even to the white that we have added here. That's the reason why it's looking like this. Okay, so now even the second layer has set well. So now we'll go ahead and put our third layer, which is going to be the red color. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added all the 3 layers, and I'm just spraying the rubbing alcohol so that we don't have any air bubbles on this. And now we'll wait for a couple of hours till all our 3 variations of soaps don't completely solidify, and then I will unmold and show you all how they look. Okay, so I've gone ahead and unmolded the soaps now, and if you all can see how beautiful the soaps have turned out. So this was the one with the pour method where I poured in 2 colors. This was Christmas mold what I had made here. I have a couple of them. You all can also make any of these, and you all can use it in your soap, just to put it in the soap, and you have this lovely look on the soap. And here this is my 3-layered soap, the green, the white and the red. Again, the Christmas theme. So these are how you can go ahead and make these Christmas themed soaps, and they'll really look nice, very nice if you're making hampers, goodies for Christmas, and you can give them to your friends, family, anyone you wish to. And friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share much more different variations of products, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.